Is your Chevy Traverse backup camera staying on even when you shift into drive? Studies show nearly three-quarters of these camera glitches are actually software related. Let us break down the troubleshooting steps to get your screen back to normal. Start by power cycling the system and checking your physical gear linkage. Often, the infotainment system just needs a firmware update from your local dealer. If software is fine, we look at physical hardware like the module itself. Simple resets can be done in your driveway, but flashing firmware usually requires professional tools. Costs vary wildly depending on whether you are replacing a module or just resetting the system. Use an OBD scanner to pull hidden codes if the screen persists in staying on. Make sure you have these three tools ready before you start pulling interior panels. Always remember to disconnect your battery before touching any electrical wiring. Thanks for watching, and check the description for more Traverse repair resources.